Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sister, brothers and friends, we are going to talk about commentary verses 92 from Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-Baqarah. In 92, Allah Almighty said, Moses came to you with clear proofs, and yet you were so wont to wrongdoing that as soon as the was gone, you took to worshipping the calf. And remember, when we took your convent and we raised above you mount, saying, hold firmly to what we have given you here, and disobeyed, and their hearts absorbed the worship of the calf because of their disbelief. Say, worst indeed is that which your faith enjoins on you if you are believers. The Jews rebel after Allah took their convent and raised the mountain above their heads. Allah reminded the Jews of their errors, breaking His convent, transgressions of defense when the raised mount to above them, so that they would believe and agree to the terms of the convent, yet they broke it soon afterwards. After their hearts absorbed that worship of the calf means the absurd, but its love, until its love raised in their hearts. There is also opinion of Abu al-Aya of Al-Rabi bin Ans. Allah's statement in 94, say to them, if indeed the last abode with Allah is yours in exclusion of other people, then long the death if you are truthful. This is the satirical references to their cases. Wordless, those who really carried the hereafter neither set their hearts of earthly life, nor are they unduly frightened of death. The condition of the Jews was the reverses of this. Allah Almighty said in verses 95, but they shall never long for it because of the evil deeds they have committed. Allah is well aware of the wrongdoers. And Allah said in 96, you will certainly find them most eager to killing on the life, indeed even more eager than those who associate other with Allah in His divinity. Each one of them wishes to alive 1,000 years, although the best words of long life cannot remove him from chastisement. Allah sees whatever they do. The Arabic text implies that the Jews were so frightened of death and so keen to remain alive that they did not mind whatever they led an honorable and dignified extents of whatever their life was one of indignity and humiliation. Allah said in 97, say, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel should know that he revealed this Quran to your heart by Allah's. Leave it confirms the scriptures revealed before it, and it is guidance and good tending to the people of faith. The Jews not only revealed the Prophet, peace be upon him, and his followers, but also God's chosen angel Gabriel, denouncing him as their enemy and branding him as the angel of curse rather than of blessing. Since Gabriel commented the revealed message with God's approval, the abuses of the Jews, which were apparently aimed at Gabriel should be considered as directed at God. They abused Gabriel because he had brought the Quran from God, and since the Quran on the whole confirms the Torah, this too becomes a co-sharer in those abuses. Here, there is suitable suggestion that the work of the Jews was in fact directed against true guidance and right turns, even though acceptance of this would have brought them good trending as to their own success. Allah Almighty said in verses 98 of Al-Baqarah, and if this is the cause of their hostility to Gabriel, let them know, whoever is an enemy to Allah, His angels and His messengers, and to Gabriel and Michael, will surely find Allah an enemy to such unbelievers. So, friends, Allah Hafiz.